This is the EV Investments Dashboard. It tracks private sector investment in EV transition, combining corporate commitments, capital raises, and specific allocations dedicated to manufacturing facilities or EV initiatives. A comprehensive methodology is included below the dashboard. The dashboard is broken up into 2 pages. The first page provides an overview of the investment landscape, including investments by region and by company, while the second page allows users to explore the data for themselves through an interactive visual. Users can interact with the dashboard in a variety of ways. First, you may use the buttons on the dashboard to change the data displayed. Second, you may hover over visuals for more detail, or click on them to filter other visuals within that section. Finally, you can use the filter bar to set more complex filters. The underlying data can be exported from any visual using the 3 dots in the top right corner. You can use the Reset View button at the top of the dashboard to reset the dashboard to a default view. The Analysis page of the dashboard provides users with an opportunity to conduct more detailed analysis. You can choose from 2 example analyses that the dashboard provides, or create your own. To create your own, first select the metric that you would like to see displayed. Then you can change the field levels set in the visual by using the X in the top right side to remove undesired levels. To add a new field, you can use the plus sign to the right of a specific item. Then you can select the field that you would like to see displayed. You can use the arrow at the bottom of the list to scroll down to see more fields. You can click on an item in the list to select that item and filter the other pages or the other visuals on the dashboard. It might be helpful in some contexts to use the US state map or the country map. You can stop here or add additional levels to the analysis. I can again select a level on this field, or a field on this level, in order to view a more detailed analysis. I can also add another level or stop here. The visuals below will reflect the full branch set, including any selection for any level available. All of the visuals on this page can again be exported using the 3 dots in the top right corner. Similarly, you can use the Reset View button to return this page of the dashboard to its default state. We hope you enjoyed this demonstration of the EV Investments Dashboard. Thanks for joining.